Like we have discussed what is HRSD, what is COE, what is HR services, what is topic detail, what is topic category, what is HR fulfillment instruction, what is HR template. These are all the we have discussed in the real classes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Today we are going to discuss with the HR profile and the case creation configuration. Shari. Okay.
What are
Today we are discussing HR profile.
HR profile? Okay.
Yeah, user profile. In ITSM you have user table na. Sys_ user.
Yes. User table.
Similarly, in ITSM we have the HR profile. Okay, in that HR profile we have the all the employee details.
Okay.
Okay, now this is the HR profile, and we are discussing about HR case creation configuration. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. HR profile means what HR profile will contain. HR profile will contain confidential details of employee, such as name, contact information, email address, employment history, date of birth, material status, gender, nationality, package details, home address. All the details will available in HR profile.
Okay.
If you see in user profile now, what do we have in that user profile? That we have like email address, our manager name, just first name, last name. Till that only we have in user profile. Okay. Sorry, are you getting?
Yes.
Apart from user profile, coming to HR profile. HR profile contains the confidential data that will contain all the employee. It will contain all the employee personal details like contact information, package details, material status, all the details. Okay.
Okay.
It is nothing but user record simply. Okay.
Okay.
That's it, Chari, regarding HR profile.
Okay.
I am sharing my screen. Please let me know once it's visible. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
My screen is
I saw your video.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Till now, what we have discussed, Chari? What is HRSD? What is COE?
COE?
What is
The topic category?
HR service?
HR service. What is topic category? What is topic details?
What is topic category?
Topic details.
And topic details. And what is HR templates? And what is HR fulfillment instruction? HR fulfillment instructions. And also we have discussed already what are the plugins required for HRSD, right?
Yes.
What are the plugins required for HRSD? Okay. Okay. Now we are discussing about HR profile.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I'm opening my PDA. In application navigator, you can enter HR profile. Okay.
Okay.
Click on HR profiles and users. Okay.
Okay.
If you see the users, it is redirected to sys_user table. Okay.
Okay. HR profile in
No, 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 no. In
user
HR,
table in HR profile, right?
in HR profile application, I click
Okay.
I click on the HR profile module and user module. Okay.
Okay.
We have
Yeah,
two modules,
that's what
HR
I'm saying.
profiles.
Actually,
Sorry.
under users. Actually, I'm saying user module in the HR profile under HR profile.
I'm not getting Cherry. Can you please repeat once again?
Actually, what I'm saying, users module, right? That users module under HR profile. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, yes, yes. This is the users module. If you click on users module, it will redirect to sys_user table. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you know what is user table, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it will contain all the employees users information. Like in your
Okay.
organization, what all are employees is there, but all those informations will available here. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, uh, this is the HR profile. Okay.
Okay.
For example, if I'm opening one user record, that is for ability tutor. Okay.
Okay.
Give a moment. It is loading. If you see below related links, you are able to see assign rows, right? Assign rows.
Yes. Assign rows.
View human resource profile. This means this user is having already HR profile. Okay.
Okay.
That is the reason it's showing view human resource profile. Okay.
Okay.
If I am opening another user like Elena Rebek, okay.
Okay.
This person also having human resource profile, so that's why I'm opening another user record. Okay. I'm opening Andrew Jackson. Yeah. If you see this user profile, okay. Here,
Okay.
create human resource profile. Okay.
Okay.
In earlier, what you have seen, view human resource profile. Okay. Because able tutor having the already HR profile in HRSD. Okay. So that is the reason he is showing the view human resource profile. Okay. Coming to Andrew, he don't have the any HR user profile. So that is the reason it's asking create human resource profile. Okay.
Create a human resource. Yes.
Yeah, got it now?
Yes. I got it.
Yeah. Okay. That is the major difference. If you open the user record, you will see these differences. Okay.
Okay.
Here, in how many ways you can create user HR profiles? Okay.
Okay.
By using HR profiles, okay. By using
Okay.
HR profiles module, we can create new HR profile, okay.
Okay.
And second thing is, from the user table, we can create with the help of button called create human resource profile. With the help of that button, we can create human resource profile, okay.
Okay.
And also, we by using integration, we can create human resource profile, okay.
Okay.
And also, in this application, another method is there. Regarding that, we will discuss, Chari, okay.
Okay. So we can create HR profile in 3 ways, right?
Yeah, we can create HR profile in 3 ways. First one is for
First one is
in HR profile module, we can create new. Okay. This is
okay.
in HR profile module, we can create new. And second thing is from user table we can create with the help of this button, create human resource profile. And third one is through integrations, okay. And also we can create through import sets.
Through import sets also.
Yeah, import sets. Like in import sets, external data source, like in Excel, we have the users data, okay. And through import sets, we can create a data source and we can create transfer map. Through that, we can also import the data from our third party to our third party database to ServiceNow. Okay. Got it, Nachari?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. If you see from user table, I'm creating one user profile with the help of UI action button. Okay. Creating human resource profile. I have clicked on that button. It is redirected to same table only. SN underscore HR underscore core underscore profile. Okay. That is the HR profile table. Okay. If you see this table, this is also same table. SN underscore HR underscore core underscore profile. Okay.
Okay.
Got it, Nachari?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm creating new HR profile. I'm giving the username simply like I'm creating user with your name. Okay. For understanding purpose. First of all, I need to create user in user table. Then only those names will be visible here. Okay, because now in HR profile table you have field called user. This table is a redirected or user table. Sys underscore user table. Okay.
Okay.
Got it, Nachari?
Yes.
Directly we can't create HR profile. Okay. First of all, the user need to be created in user table. Then only we can create HR profile.
Sorry.
Directly we can't create HR profile. Okay.
Okay.
First of all, we need to create user record in user table. Then only we can create user profile. Okay.
Okay.
అంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం ఇప్పుడు హెచ్ఆర్ ప్రొఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేయలేము మనం. ఓకే.
అది చేయలేము కాబట్టి యూజర్ టేబుల్ లోకి వెళ్ళి
ఆ యూజర్ టేబుల్
లో మనం
యూజర్ రికార్డ్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి.
హెచ్ఆర్
యూజర్ టేబుల్ లోకి వెళ్ళి ఫస్ట్ యూజర్ రికార్డ్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి.
ఓకే.
అప్పుడు ఆ నేమ్ తోని మనం హెచ్ఆర్ ప్రొఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు ఇఫ్ ఐ ఎమ్ ఓపెనింగ్ సిస్ అండర్స్కోర్ యూజర్ టేబుల్. ఓకే. sys underscore user dot list. I'm checking with the name called Ramana. Okay. There is no user records with my name, right? Currently.
Yes.
So go to user profile in HR profile. In HR profile, I am creating HR profile with my name. Okay, Ramana.
Okay.
There is no name with there is no user record with my name. So that is the reason in user field it's not showing. Okay. Here, for example, I am creating new user in user table called Ramana Patla. Okay. Title Mr. Department ID. And also I'm giving call ramana@gmail.com. English. Phone 9963568729. Okay. Yeah. I have created one user record with my name. Okay. And also I am giving user ID Ramana Reddy. Okay. I have given the user ID called Ramana, first time is Reddy and last time is Kotla. Okay. I have created one new user with my name. Okay. Here you can see below related links. It's asking, there is a button called create human profile. Okay.
Okay.
I'm clicking on that UI action. It is redirected to HR profile table. Okay. See here. Automatically user name is populating, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, directly we can enter Reddy Kotla. See?
Okay.
Got it, Nachari?
Yes, I got
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. So first of all, we need to create one user record in user table. Then only we can able to create a HR profile. Okay, because in HR profile table, the user field is mandatory. This is the reference field, so it is redirected to user table. Got it?
Okay.
Got it, Cherry?
Sorry, my voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking.
Yeah.
Come again.
So first of all, while creating HR profile, we need to create user record in sys_user table. Okay.
After in related list, we got the create a HR resource profile. At that time,
Yeah.
whenever we clicking on that clicking on that UI action button, it will redirect it to HR profile record.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
automatically our details populating on that HR profile record, right?
Yeah. Right. Right. Otherwise, we can create directly clicking on HR profile module. We can create that one also. Okay.
Okay.
Because here main thing is while creating HR profile, we need to create first user profile in user table. Okay.
Okay.
Because in HR profile, there is a mandatory field called user. Okay.
Okay.
In user table, it is a reference field,
So
so it is redirected to user table only. Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
So
Without
compulsory user record in the user table. Compulsory user table need to need it storage on user table, right? That's why
yeah,
we can move it to the HR profile. Otherwise,
yeah,
we can't move that. So
yeah,
before we need to, whenever we don't have any user record in that user table,
yeah.
at that time we need to create the user table. After
No,
we
no.
move to the HR profile.
We need to create the user record, not table. Okay.
Yes, yes. User record. After that, we move to the HR profile.
Yeah. After that only we can create HR profile. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Got it, Jerry?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah. Right now, in user table there is no name with Ramana. Okay.
Okay.
And in HR profile there is no HR profile with Ramana. Okay. So
Okay.
that's why I have created one user record in user table with name called Ramana. Okay.
Okay.
After that, I have created the HR profile for Ramana. Got it now?
Yes, I got it.
Like, first of all, we need to create a new user record in user table. Okay.
Okay.
After that, we need to create a HR profile. Okay.
Okay.
Without user record in user table, without user record in user table, we can't create a HR profile. Got it, Acharya?
Yes, I got it.
Acharya, this meeting will end in 10 minutes. Okay. You can join with the same link. Okay, after 10 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
That is the main thing in HR profile, Chari. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. In earlier, we have the ability tutor record in user table. He is also have a HR profile. So that is the reason it's showing view HR profile. Okay. Adita Chari. That is the reason he is showing
Yes,
view HR human resource profile.
Yes.
Otherwise, it is a create human resource profile. Okay, in user table.
Human resource.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. If you see in HR profile table, I'm creating a HR profile with my name. Okay. I have given the user called Reddy Kotla, prefix Mr. First name Reddy Kotla, middle name Ramana, gender male, date of birth 10/7/1993, place of birth you can give Hyderabad. Okay. Example. Okay. Country of birth India. Marital status married. Nationality India. Ethnicity means Hindu. In HR profile, there is a form section called employee information. Okay, you can see employee information, contact information. Okay. In this employee information, all the information of employee will there, like employee start date, employee end date. For example, if you join in one organization, okay, your date of joining will be on 10th October. Okay. Okay. That means your employee start date is 10th October. If you see today is your date of joining with Infosys. Okay. Example. Okay. Okay. Today, so I'm selecting the employee start date means today's date 7/10/2024. Employee end date means if you have worked for 3 years with Infosys, okay. After that you have resigned and you left the company. On that time, the employee end date will be automatically the HR will update. Okay. Got it, Nachari? Okay. Employee start date. It means also same. Employee end date. It means the same. Okay. Employment type, okay. Full time or part time or temporary, employee contingent or contractor. Okay. Probation period. If you join any new organization, the probation period will be there. Okay, right? Like for Infosys, okay. 6 months, like is there for every company, it will be changed for probation period. Basically, it will be 6 months, right? After probation period only, they will permanent you. Okay. Okay. Chari, you are getting Chari? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Probation end date means, for example, if you take probation period is 90 days. That means from today onwards, it will calculate the 90 days and it will select the date automatically. Okay. Okay. You come to a position, it is a reference table, it's taking the position. Like you are a software developer or HR manager or director security, like senior auditor, senior developer. There is a role now. You are a software developer or a junior developer, you are a senior developer, like is there na? Like that, we can create new positions or we can select existing positions. Like you are a senior developer. I am selecting senior developer. Okay. Come to department IT. This will be coming automatically because when creating user record in user table, I have given the department called IT. Okay. Okay. So that is the reason in department it will automatically showing IT. Got it, Nacharya? Okay. Yes. user dot list.
Actually, whenever creating user table, that time department we need to finance and development we create, right?
Got it.
That, so the department is automatically populated.
It's populating. Okay, na? And also manager. In real time, you can able to see this profile for HRSD because some of the details only, not all the details. Okay.
Okay.
Basic information like your manager, your location, your date of birth, your gender, those basic details will be able to see. Okay. All other confidential details like your package details, like your tax ID, your PAN number, your other number. Okay. And your beneficiary, your who is covered, like your emergency contact details. Those all the details were confidential. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. What are the basic details here? Those details will be visible to you. Okay.
Okay.
And also coming to manager, here your manager will your manager mail ID or your manager name will be there. Okay. Location like you are working in Hyderabad location or Chennai location or Pune location like that. Okay. And also here location type is like remote or office based or hard disk. Okay.
Okay.
Like some of the employees and remote. Currently, some of the companies are working with remote only, work from home only, right? Off-board type means like voluntary termination, like your doing resignation with your own or due to some disciplinary issues, they are removed. Like that only we can select it here. Like voluntary termination, involuntary termination, immediate involuntary termination, retirement, like that. Okay, na? అంటే నీ అంతా నువ్వు రిజైన్ చేస్తున్నావా లేకపోతే ఇంకేమన్నా ఉందా లేకపోతే రిటైర్మెంట్ ఇస్తున్నావా అట్లా అనమాట ఆ బోర్డ్ టైప్ అంటే నువ్వు రిజిగ్నేషన్ వెళ్ళిపోయేటప్పుడు ఓకేనా కమింగ్ టు నోటీస్ పీరియడ్ ఎవరి కంపెనీ హ్యావ్ ఏ నోటీస్ పీరియడ్ లైక్ 30 days 60 days 90 days employee number means your employee number will be there like if you join in one organization they will give one employee number na yeah that one. Coming to national tax ID, that is PAN or other number. Okay.
Okay.
Coming to national tax ID type SSN, TAN is passport or PAN number. Those details we need to select here. Okay.
Okay.
National tax ID means tax number. Okay.
Okay.
These are the employee information will available in employee information form section. Okay.
Okay.
Coming to contact information, like your home address, home city, state, postal code, home country, home phone, all the details will be available. Okay. Personal mail ID,
Okay.
user email. You can see personal email also coming from user table. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. These are the details. Okay.
Okay.
These are the basic details for the HR. These are the basic details for employee. These are the basic details of employees for HR needs. Okay.
Okay.
For example, is anything is there, employees need to contact with you. And the time they will, what they will do, they will go simply go for it HR profile table. They will search with your name and they will contact you like that.
Okay.
Got it, Najari?
Yes, I got it.
If 1%, 2% is there, then it is easy to do anything.
Now.
A lot of employees is there like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. And that time it is difficult to monitor the everything for HR. So that is the reason we are that is the reason we are creating HR profile and an HR ID module. Okay.